Hi there traders, Pavel here from FTMO. Many of you might have noticed that the UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson managed to push through the Brexit deal and agreed on it with the European Union. The Irish border backstop has been removed and replaced by a new complex mechanism. The Brexit deal is yet to pass through the British Parliament, and this is going to take place this Saturday, 19th of October. Johnson said that he's confident in his ability to get the votes, but most probably the Northern Ireland Unionists will not seal the deal. Since the debate in the UK Parliament will take place over the weekend, it is most likely we're going to see turbulent reaction once markets open. Big gaps are expected throughout various assets, most significantly on the Great British Pound and the Euro. Our funded FTMO traders know that they must be flat by Friday night, and this time around we recommend this to our traders in the challenge and verification as well, so that you're not caught up by surprise. We advise all traders to be aware of the Brexit developments and to manage your positions properly. Thanks for your attention and remember to trade safe. Cheers.